Good day, grade 7 students. This is Ma'am Daniel Magudayaw, your teacher in the exciting world of agriculture. Let's go! Our lesson for today is about estimation. And what do you know about estimation? For example, I need to budget my monthly allowance. I will be estimating my expenses so that I would not go beyond my income. Now, do you have an idea what estimation is? Estimation is a rough calculation of the value, number, quantity, or extent of something. And what is its relation with agriculture? Farmers require accurate yield estimates for a number of reasons. Number 1, it can be used for planning harvest. Number 2, can be used for storage requirements. Number 3, can be used for cash flow budgeting. So what are the things that farmers need to estimate? This is called farm resources. Farm resources are materials, staff, and other assets a farm needs in order to function productively, which is divided into two parts. First is the farm input. Farm inputs are products permitted for use in farming. Examples of these are seeds, which are planted and capable of developing into such plant. Next, fertilizer. Fertilizer is used to replenish nutrients of the soil, and its purpose is to grow healthy crops full of nutrients. Lastly, insecticides. Insecticides are a type of chemical used to kill insects like those that have infested a house or a farmer's crops. Another farm resource is the farm labor. Farm labor is the manpower behind the farm. Farm labor is categorized into three parts. First is the labor requirement for land preparation. They are the ones responsible in plowing and cleaning the land in preparation for planting. Second is the labor requirement for planting. These are farmers responsible for placing the seeds on the ground so it can grow. Third is the labor requirement for plant care. They are responsible for application of fertilizer to keep the soil healthy, pest control to keep away unwanted insects that might destroy the crops, and lastly, they are responsible for maintaining the irrigation or the water system of a farm. It is important to manage a farm production according to recommended farm activities. First, weeding is a process of removing out unwanted weeds. After properly taking care of the plants and growing into healthy crops, it is time to harvest. After the process of harvesting is the threshing, which is to separate the grain from a plant. After the separation, the grains will be dried and finally will be ready to store. It is important to store the grains in a dry, well-ventilated place which will prevent it from rotting. Every crop production requires certain farm practices. By following and recording these practices, a farmer has a clear insight into his crop production. Now that we're done, let's have a recap. First part is you have to enumerate the following. Number 1, enumerate the two farm resources. If your answers are farm inputs and farm labor, then you are right. Let's proceed to the next. What are the farm inputs? These are seeds, fertilizers, and insecticides. Great job! Lastly, enumerate the farm labor. If your answers are land preparation, planting, and plant care, well, you got it right. Excellent! Now, to the last part of the recap. Arrange the farm activities in its right order by placing numbers 1 to 5. Well done! Congratulations! You may now move on to the next topic. Take care and have fun studying. Till next time!